Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to find biometrics and security. On the second position we've got fingerprints option, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that the fingerprint is a quick and easy way to unlock your device, but be aware that if you are using the screen protector, then it may affect the fingerprint sensor. So remember about that and tap on continue. Here we have to set an additional screen lock, so no worries if you have one currently set, then you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now. And as you can see, we can choose from the pattern pin or password, and the only thing you have to remember about it is actually to remember the screen lock, because if not, if you will forget it, then in order to unlock your device you will have to erase all the data, all the content stored on your Samsung. So remember about the screen lock. So simply tap on the option you want to use. I think I will pick the pattern, so let me do it. Now let me draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Now we have to start scanning our finger, and we have to do it by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located right here. So let me do it. Let me put my finger, and now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. If you want to, you can add another. If not, tap on done. I don't want to back up my pattern, and as you can see here we've got some fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it. As you can see, we can rename it, so let me do it. We can also remove it if you want. As you can see here we've got the option, but let me get back. If you want to add the fingerprint, add another fingerprint, just tap here. Here you can check added fingerprints, so if you added for example 3 or 4 fingerprints, you can tap here. You've got the sensor, so you have to put the finger you want to check, and your device is telling you which fingerprint it is. As you can see here, we've got the thumb. Okay, and under it, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if you want to use the fingerprint for unlocking the device, and this is the very first option. Now I accidentally turned it off, so let me turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And under it, we've got the show icon when screen is off option, so you will have to tap on the screen when it's off to show the fingerprint scanner icon. And we can also show animation when unlocking, and if you'd like to turn it off, for example, just tap on the switcher right here, but I will leave it like this. So actually this is whole customization of the fingerprint. So now let me lock this device and check if it is working. So let's lock it. I cannot see the sensor. As you can see right now it appears after tapping on the screen. Now let me put my finger on it, and as you can see this device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we can lock our device, and after tapping on the power button again we can swipe, and as you can see here we've got also the fingerprint sensor, but we can also unlock it using the pattern we just set. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.